And today's broadcast is brought to you by Eclectic Horseman Magazine. Stay tuned for Eclectic Conversations, hosted by Emily Gitching.
Thanks so much for joining me today. Super excited to sit down and visit with Lee Smith and Tom and Trina Curtin about the upcoming Ray Days event this fall, October 23rd and 24th at Harmony Hills Ranch in Estancia, New Mexico. Lee, tell us about what's going to be going on this year that's new and exciting.
We're so excited about this year. Last year we had a great time. It was like old home week, more like a reunion than anything else. And this year we're going to add some events that are going to make it worth the trip. And hopefully we'll have a lot of people who have an interest in learning come and join us. So one of the things we're going to do is, of course, we're going to have the same type of venue that we had last time, Emily. We're going to make sure that we have a potluck. We're going to make sure we have the campfire. We're going to make sure we have the chuck wagon and the band, and we're going to have a great party. But one of the things that Tom and I and Trina are really excited about is having some horsemanship for folks to come and play a role in and be a part of and learn more about. So I'm going to do a horsemanship class that is going to prepare people for riding out on the trail. And then we're going to have a nice trail ride. So that's what we've got in my pocket for our event. And just so excited about it. We're going to have a limited number. We're going to limit it to 20 riders. And so first come, first serve on that deal. And they'll need to contact us, of course, for what they're bringing horse-wise and have a place to camp, because that's all we got is camping, or we do have limited RV parking, but we do have plenty of room for their horses and them to come and stay with us. And we're just excited about it. Tom's got him a program that he's going to put together in the colt start. So we're just really excited about this year to come. And I hope people will be excited to come join us.
Well, that's so wonderful. And for those of you who haven't been to Lee and Mark's place, it is so beautiful. Like those people that are going to sign up to ride out with their horses, like what a joy to get to go experience your ranch horseback.
Awesome. Yeah, it's going to be great fun.
Yeah. And I'm so excited to camp. I've got my TP ready to go and really enjoyed that last year. The stars are amazing and it's just wonderful to be able to stay right there. Tom, why don't you tell us a little bit about the class that you're going to be holding?
Well, we're gonna kind of kick off a little colt starting deal Friday morning. It'll probably start around 9, get everybody kind of gathered up. And we're going to just spend some time with a nice little handful of colts. We are going to limit that to six head of colts. So again, you might want to get gathered up and get your stuff gathered up and ordered for being in that. That's going to run probably till closely noon, maybe close even into 1 o'clock or so at the latest. But then we'll break for a little bit of lunch. And that'll happen Friday morning and Saturday morning. And then I think, if I'm not mistaken, Lee's going to do a horsemanship. We'll spend some time with her, and it'll be exciting to ride with her in the afternoon. And that'll go in the afternoon on Friday. And then Saturday afternoon, if I'm correct, will be the trail ride part of it. And go out and again, it sits right there in some of the most beautiful country, right there outside of Santa Fe and Albuquerque, New Mexico. So it's easy to get to, and it's beautiful, beautiful place.
Yeah. The class is a first come, first serve. So if you're excited about joining us, please sign up as soon as you can. But it is a beautiful spot. And hopefully we'll have some fantastic weather. If the weather's a little iffy, Lee's got a beautiful indoor, and accommodations are fantastic.
I'll make sure and put the sign up form in the comments down below, and folks will be able to go right to the website and reserve your spot in the colt starting or the horsemanship. And I think it'll be wonderful for those of us too who want to watch. I mean, what's better for horse people than to sit around and watch colts getting started and watch people learning. I think it's going to be a really wonderful addition to the event.
Because it's here at the ranch, we're going to want to encourage people to bring chairs so that they're comfortable. So we've got a nice outdoor, and we want you to be comfortable. So make plans for that. And like Trina said, we have an indoor if the weather's bad, so we'll have a gathering. But there's plenty of room for as many folks as want to come and watch and join us for this event.
Well, thank you guys for joining me today. So looking forward to October, and make sure and follow us on Facebook and Instagram and be up on all the new developments. Have a great rest of your day.